Hey, guess what? Yeah, it's another bike kit with the Predator motor on there from GASBIKE.net. Oh, can't say that, can I? Great guys, great going on, man. Great setup. The only problem is this thing shudders like a house shudders in the weather, bad weather. So whether or not you want a bike that shudders, this one would be it. And you can have this because I just put it together as a prototype, and I was going to take it apart and paint this, do a custom hot rod black satin with new tires and wheels. And I got a problem here with this because this thing shudders like you wouldn't believe it until you get it up to top speed, and that's most of the time that you're gaining speed, it's shuddering away. And not sure what's causing it to shudder. Maybe there's too much chain and I need to take a link out, move the idler up a little bit, but oh my god, this is terrible. And no one tells you this when you buy a bike kit, that, oh, by the way, this is going to make your bike shudder so bad you'll want to sell it before you ever get it made. Yeah, so if anybody has the reason why these shudder so bad and what to do about them, it's just yeah, there's a little problem there that basically the chain is too close to that housing there, so that's one little issue that I need to adjust. But that's not causing the shuddering, that's just causing a wear. So let me know, guys, and please comment, please reply, because I need to know the answer to this, because I don't want to put it in here. I have to cut it up with my die grinder and a cutting wheel and then burn this thing. So thank you for watching. Help me out, give me some comments, tell me why these things shudder so bad that you'll make you want a 2-stroke instead of a 4-stroke.